In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now select while using and allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can pick one of those modes right away, standard or speech to text. I will go with standard, so now to start my recording I need to tap on this red button. As you can see now, recording is on. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this bookmark icon. In order to pause it or unpause it, tap on middle button. You can listen to your recording right away by pausing it, swiping and choosing this left button. You can also end it and save it by clicking on the right one. Now click on category, pick one of the available ones or add your own. Then select add, name your recording and hit save. As you can see, mine is over here. In order to play it, click on it. If you wish to make some changes, tap on this button with a pen at the top right corner. Edit it however you wish to, and click on save at the top right corner again. Now pick the best option for you. In order to get rid of your recording though, you need to hold it, choose delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!